are. We're on Explorer of the Seas, sitting at the port, Cape Liberty Port in Bayonne, New Jersey. Going on a 10-day cruise. It's December 12th, so it's very cold. We just got on the ship. You can see there's still a line. It's 1:30. There's still a line of cars coming in. Trucks are down there loading up the ships. All the supplies. You look over there, you see the buses. You actually check in, drop your baggage off at that warehouse tent type thing. And then you take those buses over after you go through your security, your immigration. So we're in the Windjammer Cafe. And of course it's really, really crowded. Get an idea. Let's see what kind of food we have here. Food looks good. We've got mashed potatoes and some kind of roast, and you see some chicken and some bread. The waiter came over and I asked for some water. Very nice, prompt service. And I think I'll go and get some food now.